What's up with the what's ups, everyone? Today on this episode of Mayhem and Motorcycles, we're getting ready for the Fandango. Well, as we're gonna get ready for the Fandango, this one is actually a chopper show out in Fredericksburg, Texas. It's an all vintage chopper show. Bikes from when bikes were invented all the way till now. I'm actually going to try to enter the the races out there with Chevalicious, but we'll see how the trip is from point A to point B. We're actually going to get kickstands up tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. So what I'm going to do is show you what I'm packing and how I'm going to pack it to be set up the way I need it. As well, I'll go through everything I have here. Plus, I'll go through everything I got here and its purpose on why I'm taking it. So, of course, your basics you're going to need: a sleeping bag, clothes, hygiene products, just the bare necessities. But since I have all those electronics, well, of course you're always going to need a light too, but this is my lantern. Runs off one of these batteries. And then I use an extra one. This is for my phone. And then this is actually for my heated gear, my jackets and sweatshirts and whatnot. And it actually plugs into the jackets through here. And then this port allows me to plug my phone in. So I actually have this strapped onto my back somewhere and have it plugged to my phone, so that way I can keep GPS and be jamming. Then of course I drink coffee, a lot of coffee. So I got my propane tank and then my mini grill, and then I'm going to take a little percolator to make my coffee cup, and then I like my coffee sweet, so I got stuff to do that. And then of course I have my sugar and my coffee grinds and all that in plastic bags, and then I'll stuff it down in here too. So this thing is Milwaukee's the smallest generator inverter little thing. So what I do is I take a surge bar and I plug it into there, and it'll charge my phone, it'll charge my GoPro stuff, it'll charge any of these batteries that I have with the chargers for those, and if I wanted to, it'll actually run a TV without charging. If I wanted to, I could run a TV, a game system, and a laptop all at the same time for about 8 hours. That's what this thing does. But you have to have the biggest battery of the M18 line, which is the 12.0. So I got two of them, and then I have a charger to charge these just in case. Well, they will go out. I'll probably get a day and a half of charge with just one of these, with everything. So, but I'm not taking everything, so it'll be a little bit, they won't, but I'm not taking everything, so it shouldn't eat up all the juice. Then I've got my tool roll, my gas tank reserve, and this is almost a gallon. It's actually a thermos from Walmart, but it holds gas and it doesn't melt, so it works. Let's see. Also, while we're down there, we're going to be giving away stickers and t-shirts. Well, not t-shirts, I only have two left. So the two I haven't sold, which is an extra large and a medium. Come find me if you want a shirt. I'll sell them to you cheaper than what we were selling them online. Then I got my CC bar bag. It's a Technical Plus product, but it fits just find for the purpose I'm going to be using it for, which is a sissy bar bag. Which is a sissy bar bag. So I already got packed with my clothes. I got a socket set right here. I'm going to use this pocket for my wallet and phone and whatever. But that's how it'll ride. And then I'll throw everything up on it. Make sure everything's snug and tight. And whoa. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting it wrapped up, packed together, and snug tight. I'll go ahead and throw it on so you guys can take a look how I do it. And blam blam chicka bam bam. Alright, well, there she is. So things didn't work out as well as I planned they were going to, but it worked. So I'm gonna have this somewhere just on here stuck, so that way I can just run a longer cord up to where I'm at, wherever I'm gonna have my phone. So that'll be there, and then I'll change that when I need it. Gas reserve. My clothes, hygiene bag, sleeping bag of course, Toro, Mexican blanket, my pillow, my floor top, or I guess it's the bed bottom, and then my shoes, and then my electronic stuff. I wasn't able to get all this on the way I thought I was, and I'm going to be able to use my cool leather goods from Taste Chunky. But that's the price to pay when you're chopping. Alright, now that we're packed and ready to go, I still have this wicked lean on the bike because it's a 6-inch over front end. So, plus we're going to be out in the grass where it's kind of moist, so I don't want my bike to be sinking into the ground. So, what I'm going to do is cut me a little plank so that way I can use. And I got this kickstand plate that I got from the Thunder and Hill Country Rally. And we're giving these away. So what I'm going to do is just basically cut a section, cut 2 sections so it's extra thick. glue this down, I guess. I'll figure a way to get that attached. Safety glasses. Maybe I'll just make it one thick. Well, that's it for today's episode. Join us tomorrow when we kick stands up and head out to Fredericksburg tomorrow morning. Until then, keep on keeping on.